Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look, which I absolutely love. It screams fall, no, it screams spring, and it is really vibrant and yet soft. I love the way that it turned out, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, I wasn't planning on filming, but I just got the little itch. So I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath, what is this? I think this is Divine Rose 2. I'm pretty sure it is. And I am going to take this shade here. I'm going to dust that all over my lid. I'm going to start with the bottom of the lid and then blend that up. And if you guys are wondering, I have on my Rare Beauty foundation today. And I use a little bit of concealer, but it's been a day, so I am going to end up touching up my concealer some and then my foundation a little bit here. This is just exactly what I wanted, just a very sheer wash of color. My eye feels a little sensitive. If you guys are wondering, my headband is from my friend Prissy's boutique shop, Sienna Hope. It is like one of the most comfortable headbands I have ever worn, and it has enough firmness to where it doesn't feel like it's like sliding or moving. I have a fairly small head, so sometimes when I wear headbands, they're not very comfortable, or my bone back here protrudes significantly, so like sometimes glasses will bother me, headbands will bother me, and with this is like super comfortable. And then the colors, I mean, it's just such a really cute headband. So if you guys are interested, check her out. She's got a lot of really great stuff. I am going to take this shade here and then using a denser, fluffy blending brush, I'm going to pack this in the outer corner. I want to wing this out a little bit. Don't worry about it looking messy because we're going to clean it up with concealer. I wish I had those like naturally like winged out, you know, feline shaped eyes, but I don't. So even like creating this winged out effect is hard, where I've seen some people just like, and then they have this really pretty like feline look. It's just not me. I am going to take this color. So this is the top row. I should show you guys like this color here, and with my finger I am going to apply this to the inner part of the lid. I'm tempted to just take it really all the way through. I'm going to take this color all the way to the outer corner. I am going to take my Makeup Forever concealer because this concealer does really well with product that's been on your face for a long time, which my makeup has been on already for a long time. Just gonna take that, let it set for a little bit, and then blend it out. For now, we're gonna clean this outer corner here, and I am going to just kind of go across the lid and then blend down, and then use the tip of the brush to just clean that outer corner. I love this brush, by the way. This is a MAC 170, and I've had it for a really long time. I actually just placed an order with MAC. I picked up a new foundation, some lip oils. My lips have been so dry that I just saw it and I'm like, yeah, that's what I need. And I'm gonna start blending this down. I picked up another one of these brushes, and I think that was it. Oh, an extended play black lash. Anytime I place an order with MAC, I always place an order for that mascara. So I'm gonna wet a brush. I'm gonna take this flat shader brush by Bodyography, which is very similar to old MAC 239. I'm gonna go back into that shade that we used on the lid, and I'm just going to use it wet just to get like the most out of this color. Yeah, look Look at how pretty this is, guys. I will tell you guys right now, I have a migraine. I've had a migraine for 2 days now, and it is bad. And here I am in front of bright lights filming, but it was in me, like it felt right, and I wanted to take advantage of it. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I feel numb. So we're just gonna tough it out today. I figured if I can get myself to feel that inspiration and the motivation, I'm gonna roll with it. And for whatever reason, this was the palette that I felt I wanted to play with today. Like, I didn't have to think about it. I knew this is what I wanted. So I'm gonna wet my brush again. And this time I am going to take, I think I'm gonna take, I don't wanna mess it up, this color here, which is this really beautiful green pink shift. And I'm going, oh wow. I'm going to place that in the middle of the lid and then bring it out. I hope you guys can see how pretty this looks. I'm gonna go back to the original shade and then just make sure that it's blending into that middle shade and then I'm not losing it. Wow. All right guys, so this is what we are looking like. So I'm gonna go back into that red shade that I played with earlier, this guy here, and I'm taking this rougher 13 brush and I'm going to pack that color into the outer corner just to kind of help transition that pink shade on the outside and not have it look like just a random color that I've added. And then I'm just pressing, and then bringing that out to fill in my wing. And again, just making the look a little bit more cohesive. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Push-Up Mascara and I'm just going to go over the tops of my lashes because I got pigment on it. I've actually been using this mascara to kind of build my lash a little bit. And then to give it more drama, Extreme Climax. I love this mascara. Right now, I don't know why I'm finding that I like it more than the Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's because the NARS one just gives me like a ton of volume. So I'm gonna take my brush again and just kind of clean up to make sure that everything is nice and sharp. I like the way that this looks. I think it looks very summery and pretty, and yeah, I like it a lot. I'm going to use this highlighter by MAC. This is Beaming Blush. And I am going to use this just to give myself a little bit of a glow. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this. This is Gamma Ray by Kat Von D. I feel like this is going to really make it pop. This has glitter in it though. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Don't worry about it looking heavy right now. Once I go in with setting spray, it's going to look good. I'm going to take a little bit of that Gamma Ray and then place it in the inner corner here. Perfect. This is perfect for this look. I'm also going to use this under the brow. Got a little smudge there from, I think it was like the middle shade, but that's okay. We're gonna live. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 2 and let's start adding some warmth. So this foundation, this Rare Beauty foundation, I really like it. I like it once I've set it. But as I'm putting it on, I just hate the way it feels. And once you set it, you don't feel that way anymore. But, you know, I've realized that I don't really use it because I don't like the way it feels. Which is a shame because it's such a beautiful foundation, but I just hate the texture. I'm gonna go in with Beach Please Happy Hour by Tower 28 using the same brush. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury mascara and just hit my lower lashes. For my lips, I'm going to be using Pat McGrath Done Undone lip pencil and one of her balms. This is a really pretty corally balm. Alright guys, we are going to use Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I really like the way that this turned out. It just screams spring, and I love how it's very soft and yet there's still a little pop of color. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video. Let me know down below what you guys would like to see in upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.